In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dresser drawers from Ashley furniture. If you need to clean inside the dresser, move it, or make a repair, taking the drawers out properly can make the job much easier. The good news is that most Ashley furniture dressers use one of a few common slide systems, and once you identify which one you have, the removal process is pretty straightforward. Before you begin, make sure the drawer is completely empty. This makes it lighter, easier to handle, and helps prevent anything from falling out while you work. Let's start with the most common type, which is side-mounted metal slides. First, pull the drawer out as far as it will go. Once it stops, look carefully along both sides of the drawer for small release levers or tabs. These are usually built into the metal slide hardware. When you find them, press one lever upward and the other downward. The exact direction can vary depending on the slide type, so don't worry if yours feels slightly different from another drawer. While holding both levers in place, pull the drawer straight out toward you. If it doesn't come free immediately, try lifting it slightly as you pull so it can clear the slides smoothly. If your dresser uses roller slides instead, the process is a little different. Open the drawer fully until it reaches its stopping point, then lift the front of the drawer slightly. This helps the rollers disengage from the track. As you keep that slight upward angle, pull the drawer forward until the rollers come free and then remove the drawer completely. Try not to twist the drawer as you pull, since keeping it level usually makes the removal easier. For dressers with undermount slides, begin by pulling the drawer fully open. Then look underneath the drawer, near the front corners, for the release clips. These are often tucked just out of sight, so you may need to feel for them with your fingers. Once you locate the clips, press or squeeze them depending on the design. While doing that, lift the front of the drawer and pull outward to remove it. No matter which style you have, work slowly and use steady pressure rather than forcing anything. If the drawer seems stuck, pause and double check the slide type and the release points. That usually solves the issue without damaging the hardware. That's how to remove dresser drawers from Ashley furniture safely and efficiently.